was a servant of Allah, bestowed with great wealth and abundant blessings. He possessed numerous herds, fertile lands, thriving crops, and a household filled with children and servants. His life was one of comfort and ease, and he was known for his righteousness and gratitude. Every blessing he enjoyed was a gift from Allah, and he used them in obedience to his Lord. Allah, in his wisdom, decreed to test Prophet Ayyub, peace be upon him. First, his wealth was removed. All that he had accumulated was taken from him. Then, his children were taken away, leaving him in solitude. Finally, Allah afflicted him with a grievous illness, so severe that every part of his body was touched by pain and suffering, except his heart and his tongue, which remained steadfast in faith and engaged in the remembrance of Allah. Due to the severity of his condition, people abandoned him. Even relatives and neighbors could not bear to remain in his presence. Prophet Ayyub, peace be upon him, was cast to the outskirts of the city, near refuse and desolation. Yet his wife remained devoted, tending to him day and night. The wife of Prophet Ayyub, peace be upon him, displayed remarkable patience and loyalty. She did not leave him when all others had turned away. She worked to provide for him, enduring the burden of poverty and the trials of life alongside him. Her steadfastness and care for her husband were exemplary, a reflection of true devotion and endurance in faith. Those who observed Prophet Ayyub in his afflicted state often misunderstood the cause of his suffering. Many believed it was the result of some great sin. Two men who visited him remarked that he must have committed a sin worthy of such torment. Yet Prophet Ayyub replied with humility and patience, explaining that this was a test from Allah. He remained steadfast in worship and in remembrance of his Lord. After enduring his trial for a long period, Prophet Ayyub, peace be upon him, turned to Allah with complete submission and sincerity. He supplicated, acknowledging his affliction while affirming his trust in the Most Merciful. He did not complain, nor did he despair. He acknowledged his suffering while maintaining faith and humility. Allah accepted the supplication of Prophet Ayyub and removed his affliction. His body was restored to health. His children and family returned to him. Allah granted him abundance once again. Every blessing lost during his trial was restored as a mercy from Allah. Prophet Ayyub was a servant of Allah, bestowed with great wealth and abundant blessings. He possessed numerous herds, fertile lands, thriving crops, and a household filled with children and servants. His life was one of comfort and ease, and he was known for his righteousness and gratitude. Every blessing he enjoyed was a gift from Allah, and he used them in obedience to his Lord. The story of Prophet Ayyub, peace be upon him, teaches that trials are tests, not punishments, and relief comes from Allah. Patience, humility, and reliance on Allah are essential in times of hardship. Material possessions and worldly comfort are transient. Faith is everlasting. Even in extreme adversity, trust in Allah brings solace and ultimate reward. Prophet Ayyub, peace be upon him, endured immense suffering without faltering in his faith. His unwavering patience and constant supplication are a timeless example for all believers. Hardship is not abandonment. It is an opportunity to demonstrate steadfastness, trust, and devotion to Allah. If this is the kind of story that stays with you, stay connected for more and subscribe.